my name is Jamaraly and welcome back to my channel. So I got a lot of feedback on my previous video on the 3 ways to make money at home in 2020. So I figured that I would make my next 3 videos based on going more in depth to give you guys knowledge on how these 3 business models that I did mention in that video work. So in today's video, I will be discussing affiliate marketing, and what I will be discussing in this video is 1, picking a niche, how to get started, and how affiliate marketing works. So I'm just going to be showing you the business model to affiliate marketing so that you guys can grasp how it actually works and how to generate income from it. 2, I will be discussing how to actually sign up for an affiliate network. And then the last thing is how to build your audience, as this will be the most important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Before we begin with the whole entire video and getting in depth on affiliate marketing, I'm going to share with you guys one more time. If you haven't watched my previous video on what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is the art of selling or promoting someone else's product and then being compensated for it. So I'm just going to show you exactly what that looks like, what the business model is, so that you can get just a better idea of how affiliate marketing works and how people generate their money from it. Alright guys, so I moved over to my desktop just to actually show you. I want to be able to present this to you so that you guys can get a visual, because unlike others, myself, I know I prefer visually learning. That's just how I grasp things better. So this is a great infographic that I found. I found this on Twitter actually, so I'm presenting it to you guys, but this is how affiliate marketing works. So we're going to begin at the very top. So the affiliate you shows an ad for the merchant on their website. So let's backtrack a little. So before any of this happens, you obviously have to sign up to become an affiliate for, for example, throw the name out there, and the huge company, Amazon. So let's say that you have been approved to be an affiliate for Amazon, which I am, by the way. So I'm going to pretend like I am the affiliate and then the merchant is Amazon. So let's say I'm talking about this coffee mug, for example. So as an affiliate, and this is one of Amazon's coffee mugs, I'm going to make a video or just a blog post or a simple post on my Instagram, let's say, about this coffee mug, just the benefits, how it keeps my coffee so warm throughout the day, or it was a really cold and snowy day and I was gone for about 3 hours and I left my coffee mug in the cart and it stayed hot like it was fresh out of the coffee pot. So let's say I made a video and I explained and gave you guys so much value on this item. So I show it on my site. Now, customers like you guys, those who are interested and who absorb that value that I had gave you about this one coffee mug, you clicked on the link that I had. And that link is an affiliate link that Amazon provided me because I am affiliate. I am an affiliate for them. So you guys clicked on that link. So you guys, as the customer, you guys are going to be sent through their site. So it's going to track you guys. The link that you guys clicked on is going to take you back to Amazon's site. However, there is that link is a tracking link for me and Amazon to kind of communicate together. What it's going to do is it's actually going to drop a cookie. So if you guys ever seen like, oh, this site uses cookies, press here, press OK if you guys allow, or if you guys ever had to delete a whole bunch of cookies on your website, that is because it's a whole bunch of tracking links that you probably had received from all these different websites, or numerous links that you guys have clicked on that you guys probably didn't even know about. But what it's going to do is that it's going to drop a cookie on your website to remember that you had clicked on that link from this person. So let's say you guys were super interested in the coffee mug and you guys loved how I told you guys it kept my coffee warm. So you purchase it, right? You're going to make the purchase it because you saw the value of it, you really liked how it looked, and you thought you wanted the same item that I had. So you guys purchase. So what then happens here is that the affiliate network records the purchase. So Amazon will record the purchase and the details of that transaction. So right here, the purchase would be then confirmed by the merchant, by Amazon, as a valid sale. So obviously, sometimes people can purchase an item, but then return it, or something happens and they cancel their purchase. So you just have to make sure that it is valid and nothing happened, because obviously how is Amazon going to then pay you a commission if the sale wasn't actually rendered or actually made? So they confirm that. Then the transaction is then credited to the referring affiliate, which would be myself, because I basically referred that coffee mug to you guys to purchase. So then I will get a piece of the actual transaction. So every single merchant is different with how much commission and the percentage of the commission that you will then get. So I will then get my commission, and then I will then get paid my commission at the end. And right like that, that's how affiliate marketing works. And it is a win-win situation because you referred somebody to purchase an item for this merchant, and then you get a commission of whatever it could be. Like I said, everything is different. Everyone's different with how they pay their affiliates, but right there is how affiliate marketing works, and that is the business model of affiliate marketing. So now that you know how affiliate marketing works, it's also important to understand and pick a niche. A niche is when you specialize in one thing, whether it be beauty, whether it be sports, whether it be fashion, because you don't want to be a generalist and you don't want to talk about numerous things and try to promote a whole bunch of different things because you're never going to grow like that. A perfect example of this is surgeons and when it comes to doctors. So you can either be a general surgeon or you can be a neurosurgeon. Which one do you think makes more money? The neurosurgeon. Why? Because he specializes in just that versus a general surgeon, which does a whole bunch of things. So it's very important that you understand that and you use this in affiliate marketing or just anything that you do. That's the only way that you will grow and you will build a strong and supportive audience around that niche. So now that you understand that, and once you pick your niche, then you will move on to actually signing up for an affiliate program. So I'm going to show you what to search into Google to actually sign up and get to the sign up portion of an affiliate network. So for me, I love beauty and fashion and business, but for the sake of this video, to show you an example, I am going to search up one of the brands that I love to shop from, and they are Boohoo. So I am going to search right here on this. So Boohoo affiliate program. So the key in searching for an affiliate program is searching up or putting in Google what it is that you want to be a part of. So whether it be Walmart or Amazon, and then writing, Amazon affiliate program or Boohoo affiliate program or Sephora affiliate program, just because what usually will pop up, the first thing that will pop up is their affiliate program. So become an affiliate Boohoo. You're going to click on that. And then down here, you want to apply or you want to sign up. So I'm going to apply for the USA and Canada. And now I am already an affiliate for them and with them, but this is the page that you guys want to get on. And then once you find this is all you and all of your information. What you should expect when you are about to sign up for any affiliate program is for them to ask you obviously personal questions and then questions based on your social status and what you will be putting their affiliate links on. They obviously want to know that information just because they want to make sure that you are utilizing their actual affiliate program and not just signing up just to sign up. It's important to just be prepared for that, whether you are a blogger and you're going to be putting their affiliate links on your blog or on YouTube, Instagram, etc. So you guys get the point. The last thing that they are going to ask you for is just some tax information about your bank, about, with your social security number, all that stuff, just because if you do get approved, obviously that is for them to actually pay you with. So it's just some basic information, but it's also important to understand that you almost always will never get approved right then and there. It does take time. So it's good to just start signing up for a whole bunch of these just because, like I said, they take time, whether it be a couple days or just a couple weeks to finally get approved. And then when you do get approved, you will get an email saying, congratulations, you are now an affiliate for such program. So like I said, this is just Boohoo's affiliate program, but I want you guys to really understand that there are so much other affiliate programs out there. So for example, Amazon affiliate, right here, Amazon Associates. So this is the Amazon affiliate program. Now let's do Walmart affiliate. Home of the Walmart affiliate program. So it's important to understand that there are so many affiliate programs that you can join out there. Like I said, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Boohoo. There's so much that you can think of, literally anything that comes into mind. Try to search for it and try to join and be a part of their program. So now that you've signed up for all those affiliate programs, now it is time to build your audience, to start getting all of those affiliate links in front of everyone. So it's important to know that there are two major ways to start building your audience. One is focusing and picking your niche, just because you want to make sure, like I said, that you are a specialist in what you are going to be talking about and what you're going to be delivering to your audience. And then two is just coming up with consistent content. What you want to do is you want to create a lot of videos and you want to push that out in front of your audience, just because you want to provide them with a lot of value. So if it's about fitness, what you want to do is you want to be putting and creating a lot of fitness videos, workout videos, teaching people how to gain muscle or shred or do some type of HIIT workout. And it's important that you are staying consistent, because all of this is going to build over time. So there's different things that I recommend in order to grow your actual audience. So the platforms that I recommend are YouTube. It's free. You can post as much videos as you want, and people find you based on your content. If they like you and they relate to what your niche is about, then you will grow, and you will grow fast. The second one is Pinterest. Pinterest is a great site where so many bloggers like myself post their content in, where you can actually link something. So if you are promoting an item, you can link it on that one Pinterest post, and it will lead the customer to whatever you are promoting. And then the third one is a blog. So as you guys know, I have my own blog, and a blog is a great way to get the products out there, just because you are reviewing that product, you are writing about it, and you're building this kind of trust factor with the person who's reading your blog post. And then when you drop a link, it's more than likely that that person who is reading that blog post is going to click on it and purchase it, just because they trust what you say. TikTok is a huge one now. TikTok is a great platform that you can use now. It is so brand new, and there's so many people using it. So the reach that you can get on TikTok is huge. TikTok is a great way to actually get your information and the product that you want to promote out there by creating small 15-minute clips on whatever product that you are trying to promote, and then link it in your TikTok bio. So if you guys follow these steps and create a niche, focus on it, and be consistent with posting on the platforms that I had mentioned throughout this video, then I promise you guys will start seeing results, as your results will compound over time. Again, I do want you guys to understand that when you go into affiliate marketing, this is not something that you are going to just post one time and make thousands and thousands of dollars. This is something that you have to put in work, and that's why it's so important to actually pick a niche that you are passionate about, because you want to be doing this for the sole reason that you enjoy it, not because you are trying to make money out of it when you first go into it, just because it's not going to work that way. Like I said, affiliate marketing is something that you are going to make money over time with. But again, I hope that you guys learned a lot from this video, and I hope that you guys will also start utilizing the tips that I was able to give you and become great and successful affiliate marketers. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting a lot more business related videos just like this one. Bye.